Okay, today we are looking at a Merlin quiet drive roller door motor that's opening randomly on its own. However, this is not due to the motor itself, but one of the old Merlin C945 remotes that's almost completely worn out. Not the greatest remote, it doesn't even have an LED indicator. And as you can see here, it's got a button that's completely missing. And the center button that's currently programmed is super sensitive. The rubber skin is completely falling apart. Just breathing on this remote will open your roller door without you even knowing. Now this is the other spare remote. This one operates pretty good. I can't see any faults and it operates nice and responsively. But we do need to erase the complete remote memory, which unfortunately clears all of the remotes. This is the only way. So hold down this amber button until the same colored LED next to it turns off, which is around 6 to 10 seconds maximum. Once the LED light turns out, that indicates that all remotes have been erased, and just check with a previously working remote. And there we go, we have erased the system memory of all remotes, including the completely worn out one that's operating the motor all on its own. So now to reprogram the old remote control, and the correct way is to hold your finger on the remote button you wish to use so it emits a signal. This will block out any other signals in the area, and then press the amber button on the motor, which is the remote learn button. By pressing the learn button first and then the remote, there's a risk that someone else in the area may get their remote programmed into your machine first. No, we're not going to be programming the faulty remote, obviously. However, we do have a new Merlin Plus 2.0. This is the E960M to program in instead of the older worn out one. So same process, hold your finger on the remote. This one has the green LED indicator, and then press the learn button on the motor. These are certainly a step above the existing remotes. There you have it. That's how you program and or erase remotes for the Merlin Quiet Drive roller door opener. I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next great garage door tip.